My favorite memory this year has been My favorite memory this year was going to GoPro Autoplex and go-karting with all my friends. We had about 10 people this year, and I just really liked racing there instead of racing in my own car, because go-karts you can just fling around and it's fun. We had a great time together.
My favorite memory with Elon Motorsports was driving to Nashville. I made a lot of friends through the club, and we all hang out on the weekends, so it's been a good time.
Here at Elon Motorsports, we all have completely different cars, but there's one thing that we all share, a love for them.
It's hard on campus to find like a community of people that really care about cars the way that everyone here does, so a specific memory would be not doing justice to just sort of every Thursday showing up and being able to talk about the thing I love. It's a good memory, it's a good time. You should come down.